Hello friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club. And I'm popping in today very quickly to share a sneak peek of our December card kit. We are making masculine cards this month. I'm so excited about this. I've wanted to do a masculine card kit for forever and was just waiting for the right papers to come along. And 49 and Market must have heard my thoughts because they released this fabulous Rust and Revs collection. It is so vintage, slightly grungy, masculine, so many great patterns and images. And in your kit, you're going to get this 6x8 pad, which has 24 double-sided sheets. Look at these great jeans. We are going to make some fabulous masculine cards with this paper collection. I love this plaid, the great engine. So if you've got a car loving dude, a motorcycle loving dude, a gadget loving dude, this is going to be a wonderful paper collection. Look at this great weathered wood. So lots of possibilities with this paper. And the 6x8 pad, this is beautiful heavy cardstock. Look at this great cut apart page. We get 2 of those. And then this is a bonus sheet inside the back cover. So along with this, we got to have some really great embellishments. I have 10 feet of this leather cording. This is so neat. I have 2 vintage hinge clips, which are going to be great for holding things in place. I have 3 brass key blanks, super fun. 5 of these wonderful shaped paper clips. And then we're also going to get a few sheets of the 12x12 that we can use for fussy cuts and pop-ups and all kinds of wonderful things. These are the same images as in the 6x8. They're just larger, so they're great for fussy cutting. Look at this motorcycle and cactus, so fun. I love this rusty old pickup truck. And then we have 2 sheets of those cut aparts, which have 3x3s, 3x4s, and 2x2s. So lots of options there. Actually, it looks like we have three sheets of this. So that's awesome. That's even better. All right. And then, because we got to make card bases and we have to have mats, we have 18 6x12 sheets of this linen textured cardstock, and the colors are fabulous with this paper collection. So if you have been wishing like me for some great masculine card designs, these are going to be Kinetic cards, and we're going to make multiples of the same design so you get lots of chance to practice the mechanisms and the techniques. We'll also probably slip in a little folio, because who doesn't love a little card folio? And who knows what we'll do. It's going to be lots of fun. If you'd like to see what we're going to make, stick around and I'll be right back to show you. So what are we making? Guys, this kit is so fantastic. I am really excited to share it with you. We're going to start off with these awesome wiper cards that have a secret pop-up message on the inside. It's so cute, really dimensional. And on the back, you've got a gift card pocket and room to write a message. These are so fun. I made 4 of them. And I think Kinetic cards for guys, they're just the way to go. They always love them. These are just so cute. This is the greatest masculine collection I think maybe I've ever worked with. And I just wanted to do something unexpected with the card styles. So then the next thing we make are these awesome vertical gatefold cards. Really fun little cover. I love the touches of the leather, and then this opens out. You've got a little pocket here. You can tuck a gift card in, write a little message, and then look at this. a pop-up on the inside. So fun, so fun, so fun. And you can actually fold the top back, and this will stand up for display. So that's a nice thing. You can have that on your desk. These great little antique clips, hold them closed. You're going to make 2 of these in this kit. They're just fun, really fun, and a really neat design for a masculine card. So that's 2 of those. Then next on the agenda, these are all Kinetic cards in this kit, are these super fun lever cards. Look at that. Isn't that neat? And these stand like this for display. So you can put these out on a desk, and they have a little hidden gift card pocket where you can tuck this little journal card in. These are super fun and easy to make, and you're going to learn how to do 2 of these. I just love that little action right there with that window that flips through to the other side. Don't you love this rusty old truck? And of course, then a gift card pocket here as well. The next thing we're going to make are, these are really fun. These are pop-out box cards. So it's a Z fold, but it has this really fun pop-out. And this one has a double, which is super fun. Little rawhide closure here for another masculine touch. Leather is always great on a masculine card. And these just slip on and off to hold everything in place. On the back, you've got a gift card pocket and room to write your message, or you could stamp a message there if you wanted to. Here's another one, because I like you to get practice making these fun interactive cards. This one is a single pop-up with this great, I don't know what kind of car that is, but that sure is fun. And I didn't want to cover up this gas station, so we didn't do a second box here. But on the back, you've got the gift card pocket and a sentiment panel. So you can make these, I mean, you can use these for any masculine occasion. This can be graduation, anniversary, birthday, retirement. And then we have a bonus folio. This is a little 6x6 folio. Opens like this. Remove the paper clip. This pulls out. There's another one of those fun box pop-ups, so you get extra practice. Room in there for photos, which is great. On this side, this opens out this way. Then we have a little lift gate here. Room for journaling here. And then a little pocket here. And this pulls out, and you've got room for photos or journaling. This is not glued down, so you can stick your photos back behind it. So it's just a really fun little flip-flap folio. Super easy to make, really cute, and makes a wonderful little birthday, anniversary, graduation gift. So there you go, friends. 10 cards, 10 Kinetic cards with moving parts. Everything has a gift card pocket. So you could, the card becomes the gift, and 1 folio, all in this fabulous Rust and Revs card kit from Button Farm Club. I will put a link in the description box below. This is one of my subscriber card kits, so subscribers get first dibs. Typically, my card kits sell out very, very quickly. So if you want to be sure that you get a kit, go ahead and subscribe. You can cancel at any time. There's no penalty. There's no minimum number of kits that you have to purchase. So subscribers get their kits first, and then whatever's left over, we do first come, first served. So don't delay. This is a really fun, you're going to learn a lot of great techniques. I share a lot of fantastic paper saving tips too. And I think you'll enjoy it. So that's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design, Button Farm Club, December card kit. Go get your craft on, guys. Happy New Year. Bye.